We are writing the last pages of 2022, a book full of emotions, of reunions, of surprises, of rewards, of achievements, of dreams fulfilled. The story of 2022 has been a good one, and one that we have written together, step by step, chapter by chapter. We have had adventures. We have had smiles and tears, the good kind, of joy and emotion. It has been a wonderful story, where we have grown and transformed. And as we close this edition, we open a new one, a book full of blank pages, where everything is possible, and where together we can create an even bigger and even more beautiful story. We have bigger goals. We have bigger dreams. We have so much to do together. 2023 is going to be a fantastic year. How do we know? It's easy, because you are a part of this big family. Success Factory wishes you a very happy new year.